So what is that? Red Hat package management, right? So how you can check if the package is installed or not? So querying and viewing the packages. The querying is nothing but a RPM options package name. Hyphen Q is nothing but a query. A is nothing but a all. I is nothing but a info. D is nothing but a documentation. L is nothing but a list of files from that package. C is nothing but a configuration files. F is nothing but a file from which package. So RPM-QA to know how many packages are installed. What is the command, guys? RPM-QA
Yeah.
to know how many packages are installed. These all the packages are installed. So pipe WC is nothing but a word count -L. Yeah, how many packages? 341 packages are installed, right? So I want to check a particular package is installed or not. So RPM-QA git. If the package is not installed, it will not showing anything. R RPM-QA net-tools. So this package also not installed. So for example, kernel or grub, we'll check it. Mm, yeah. So the kernel, if the package is installed, it will show it in this. So same like it will show it in. It will show it in, right? So if the package is not installed, it will not display anything. But if the package is installed, it will show which package, the package name and the version name, it will display. It will display. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So RPM-QA wget to know wget package is installed or not. To know wget package is installed or not. So next RPM-QA wget to know wget information. QI. What is that? Info. I is nothing but a info. This is the kernel package, version, release number, architecture, installed date, group. So licensing, everything will be showing. Everything will be showing in the group info. Okay, query info. So query all RPM-QL wget to see how many packages installed from wget packages. Okay, so okay, wget. So package wget is not installed. Okay, or QL wget not installed. Kernel. So contains no files. Okay. So it will display. So RPM-QD wget confirm the to confirm is there any documentation available. RPM-QC wget to know how many packages are available. Okay, RPM-QA bin ls to confirm from which packages from available. So this is nothing but a querying and verifying the package by using RPM. Okay, so to install, remove, upgrading the packages, RPM options, package name dot RPM. I is nothing but a install, V is nothing but a verbose, N is nothing but a to see the installation status, E is nothing but a remove, H is nothing but a hash, -U is nothing but a upgrade, -force is nothing but a install forcefully even if it is already installed. So usage RPM-I, Firefox, something like so if you want to install -I, so if you want to see the install package, so verbose and human readable format, you can use the RPM-IVH. Okay. So RPM-UVH upgrade package. I is nothing but a install. A remove package, you can use the RPM-E. E is nothing but a to install the packages. Yellow dog update modifier. The yellow dog update modifier M is an open source command line package management utility for Linux operating system using the RPM package, including the dependency analysis also. M is available from RHL 5 means Red Hat 5 onwards. So 5 onwards it will be available. So yum clean all to clean the network cache, yum cache fast to get new repository cache from local network, yum repo list to confirm the repositories. Okay. So yum options package name, yum install package name, yum remove package name, yum update package name, yum upgrade package name, yum reinstall package name, yum info package name, yum list package name, yum group list package name, yum group remove package name, yum group list package name, yum group info package name. So right, understood guys. This is nothing but a yum. This is nothing but a yum, right? So what are the dependency packages? So for example, yum install. So wget wget, there is no wget, right? Wget is not installed. Qa wget. So I'm installing from this guys. RPM or yeah. So what is that? Wget package. So first, if you want to download any package from web, so if you want, if you want to download any package from, so if you want to download any package from the web, so we need we need wget command. So if the wget command is not there, so not installed, so we need to download it and install the wget. So if you want to install by using yum, just yum install wget, it will automatically install guys. It will automatically install. Yeah. So this, if you use yum, right, yum install get, it will automatically search it in the yum repository. That yum repository will be going to the web only. Here, it will check the wget command. It will check the wget. It will check the wget. It is RPM. Yes, yes, wm. There is no wget. Let's check. Yeah. So it is getting from the, it is asking m install wget. M install wget or net-tools. Let me check. Net-tools. Yeah, net-tools, right? Let's check. I'm not installing wget, or I'm installing the wget. Yes. Yeah, wget is installed. RPM. How to check if the package is installed or not? RPM-qa wget. Okay, this is a wget package is installed now. Now you can download it from wget. Through wget, we can download it from web. So wget. So for example, net-tools. Copy link address, paste it. So before that, I need to check wget net-tools is installed or not. So RPM-qa net-tools. Right, the package is not installed. So I'm downloading the package. Yeah. So net-tools package, RPM package is downloaded. So how you can install the package through RPM? So only one package will install at a time, right? RPM-IVH net-tools. So the package name .rpm, package name .rpm. Yeah, I'm providing the package .rpm. So yeah, so net-tools is installed. So let's check. Yeah, net-tools is installed, right? So there is no dependency package for the net-tools. Let's check. Git is available on. What is that git, guys? Or HTTPD. For example, network manager. wget. Yeah. So network managed packages in downloaded. I am installing from RPM. So it will install the single packages one by one. We can install the single packages. You see, guys, what it is showing? It is showing the error failed dependencies. Dependencies. So what are the dependencies we need? Network manager and network manager. This one. So right. So we need to install the dependency package first. Then we can install the actual package. This is the drawback in the RPM. So that's the reason M is instead introduced. M install network manager. M install network manager. Right. So network manager, I think already there. Yeah, network package is unable to find it, guys. That's the reason. M install HTTPD. HTTPD. You see, guys. So, so this is the HTTPD package. I'm trying to install only one package. So, what are the dependencies packages? The dependency packages are APR, APR util, APR util, Bob, CentOS, HTTPD. So, these all are the dependency packages, right? But you are trying to install only HTTP package, but the dependency package also will install. How? So, this will install from the repository. So, this will install from the repository. This repository is pointing to the web only. So this only, right? The mirror list. So it will download it from here and then it will install automatically because of the M repository. If you use the RPM, definitely you need to download each and everything and we need to install one by one. But M, it will automatically resolve the dependency package also. It will automatically resolve the dependencies package also. So that is the reason M is popular. So why M popular, guys? Because of it will resolve the dependency package also. What is this, guys? It will resolve the dependency package also. Guys, understood? So how you can install the package? You can install the package by using the M. So I'm installing the HTTPD. HTTPD is the Apache web server. What is that, guys? Apache web server. Okay. So tomorrow we'll discuss. So the deployment, guys, Apache web server as well as Tomcat web server. So we will show you how to deploy, how to install the web servers and how to deploy our application to the web servers. We'll show you tomorrow, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yep. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.